Hello everyone, this is Ayushi and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to discuss about Airtable automations. So Airtable, as we all know, is the widely used spreadsheet program which is used to create and share the relational databases. So let us see what all automations we are going to cover and how we can use Airtable automations to save our time. The first automation is Airtable to Google Sheets. Next one is Airtable to Gmail. Next we will see Airtable to Instagram. After that, Airtable to WhatsApp. And last but not the least, Google Forms to Airtable. So now let us discuss these particular automations one by one. So the first automation is how we can connect Airtable to Google Sheets and back up the data. So whenever you're going to add a new data or a new record to Airtable database, automatically the same details can be added to your spreadsheet program, that is Google Sheets. So not only Google Sheets, you can add the data to Grist, StackBy or any other spreadsheet program also. So you can back up your Airtable records over here in this particular automation and you can save your time and energy. The next automation is how you can send emails for new Airtable records. So whenever you're going to add a new data to your Airtable base, automatically using those details, you can send the mails to the concerned person you want. You can send the emails to your customers or to your vendors or to your business partners also. Let's move to the next automation, and that is how we can create Instagram posts for specific Airtable records. So again, whenever you're going to add a new data or a new record to your Airtable base, automatically using those details, a new post will be shared on your Instagram account. So here we are going to integrate Airtable with Instagram or the social media application. So not only Instagram, you can use any social media application over here to create a connection. So instead of Instagram, you can also use Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or any other social media platform you want. Let's move to the next automation, and that is automatically send WhatsApp messages from Airtable records. So the most favorite one. Whenever you're going to add a new record to your Airtable base, you can send the WhatsApp messages to your customers. The messages can be welcome messages, thank you messages, payment reminder messages or any other message you want to send. So this automation is going to create a personal connection between you and your customers. Okay, let's move to the next automation, and that is create Airtable records on new Google Forms submission. So now you have created a form using your Google Forms account and you have shared that form with your customers or you have embedded that form on a website. Now you want that whenever the form is filled, automatically a Airtable record should be generated. The details should be added to an Airtable base. For that, you need to integrate Google Forms with Airtable base. So not only Google Forms, here you can link any other form building software application also, like Jot Forms, Typeforms or any other form building software application. So this particular data or this particular automation will be very helpful for you for maintaining your customer database in your Airtable base. Okay. So here we have covered top 5 Airtable automations. The links are attached in the description box. You can watch the videos and you can set up the automations for your business, which is going to save your time and energy. Thank you.